The worst TikTok mistakes that every beginner makes. Number 1, boring videos. TikTok videos with millions of views always manage to grab the viewer's attention. So if your video is boring at any point, the viewer is just going to scroll away and this is going to bring your watch time down. Try and cut out little parts that aren't 100% necessary in your video and find ideas that are 100% guaranteed to make your viewers watch until the end. I will explain how to grab people's attention in mistake number 4. Number 2, consistency. It's really simple. 99% of you will not be successful just by posting once a week on TikTok. If you want to take TikTok serious, try and post 5 to 7 times a week. And if you don't know what to post, that is where mistake number 3 comes in. Number 3, inventing the wheel. One of the biggest mistakes that you can make is trying to invent the wheel all over again. Basically, you have thousands of successful creators posting viral videos every day. So don't be afraid to take some inspiration out of these videos, but make sure to not be a complete copycat. The point is, coming up with something completely unique is very admirable, but it makes growing a lot more difficult than it needs to be. Number 4, not hooking viewers. Do you want your TikTok to be seen by millions of people? Then the first 3 seconds are a key factor that determines your video's success. So you have to immediately hook your viewers in. One example we use is showing the text beginner, expert, and pro and doing a drawing beside each of these texts. This is a very simple video, but it makes people want to see what all the different difficulties are compared to each other, so it makes them want to stay until the end of the video. These are 4 very bad mistakes that you can make, but there are more mistakes such as not going live, not checking your video analytics, and getting discouraged very quickly. Just remember that making mistakes is part of the process and it's okay as long as you learn from these mistakes. Make sure to subscribe if you found this helpful, and if you want to see how to blow up on TikTok, click here. Thanks for watching. Bye!